smoked barbecue Sriracha wings. Let's get into it. Starting off with about 2.5 pounds of wings here. Got to get them seasoned and marinated up. Got a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. Got a little coriander. Got a little onion powder. Got a little bit of celery salt, wild card seasoning there. And I got a little bit of chili powder. Once you get all the seasonings, get them mixed up well. All the flavors on them wings, I'm gonna let them marinate for about 4-5 hours. While they marinate, I'm gonna fire up this smoker. I'm using apple chips. I got my smoker at about 275 degrees. So once you load up the chips and the smoker's nice and hot, it's time to drop them wings. Load up the smoker. I like to use the top racks just to make sure the wings crisp up because the heat rises. But the wings is gonna go for about an hour and a half. Let's make this sauce. I got Sweet Baby Ray's, my favorite barbecue sauce, a little splash of Sriracha, some brown sugar, and some garlic powder. Get all that mixed up, put it on the heat, let it bubble up for about 10 minutes. An hour into the smoke, I pull the wings off the racks, put them into this little pan here. I'm gonna add the sauce to the wings. You gotta make sure the wings are thoroughly coated. Make sure every wing gets some barbecue sauce. And then once they're coated, the wings are gonna go back into the smoker for about 30-45 minutes just to achieve full smoky flavor. Look at them wings, man. Them wings fire, boy. Look at them. They look delicious, don't they? I'm gonna get these wings nice and plated up. I don't even know how many wings is here, but Vons had a nice little deal on wings. So I got about 2 pounds for like $8, man. Once the wings are done and plated, I like to pour the extra sauce just on top of the wings because that sauce got the smoky flavor now. And then I'm gonna finish the wings with just a little bit of celery, a few carrot sticks, and voila, smoked barbecue Sriracha wings. Get you a bite.